So coming to this college, East West College of Engineering was established in 2015. So only a couple of batches have passed it, but and it's located in 5 acres of land in Yelahanka area, as I said, which is quite good with respect to greenery. Coming to the courses part of it, it offers computer science, electronics, and few of the non-traditional courses like aeronautics, agriculture, and mechanical. And the second part is that it doesn't take admission through Comedk, so the only selection mode is either Kcet or the management and the infrastructure campus. A short tour on that with respect to the campus which is located in Yelahanka, and this is the aeronautical branch, quite popular there. So this is within the campus. These are some of the workshop facilities for mechanical aeronauticals, and this is for the ECE branch. And the college also has a library, so which caters to around 40,000 books, and they do promote a lot of sports. So they have a good mix of sports facilities, indoor and outdoor. So you can see the court for basketball, cricket, kho, kabaddi, netball, throw ball, etc. are all part of the campus facilities. Now coming to the hostels part, they have separate hostels for both boys and girls, and this is within the campus itself, so provides good facilities with hygiene, which is quite good. And if you are looking for taking the transportation facilities, so they have a pickup points across the city, like Koramangala, Pinia, Malleshwaram, and JP. Jumping into the placement part of it, so as I said, this is a new college, but 3-4 years, a good number of companies have now started visiting, and I will also show the student wise placement also after the slide. So you see Infosys, Cognizant, you see Boeing, Byju's, HP, right? So those are the good companies which are there, and then some of the like in IBM and mid-sized companies like Federal Mogul are also there on the campus. So let's see the top placement. So you see student at Boeing, which is for aeronautics engineering student, TCS, Infosys, almost good companies on the campus. Byju, Concentric, which is the call center. Adobe is also taken one student, and Infosys couple of students here in this slide. Wipro is there, Amazon is there. So from the name perspective, all the good companies, names are there. So this is what you can see here, Amazon student for computer science engineering, and NTT, they have taken the students for computer science engineering, and similarly for HP, they have taken student from computer science engineering as well as aeronautical engineering. This is Federal Mogul, the other company which has taken student from the mechanical engineering. Moving ahead, there's a good number of students which are taken by Accenture. So you can see here close to 9 to 10 students were taken by Accenture, and those vary from computer science to mechanical students, right? So they allow all the students, and further mechanical students got placed in another company called HHV, LN, and so here you can see that a lot of good students are also getting placed in the non-traditional branches like mechanical and the aeronautics, which is not common in all the colleges. So some more mechanical students you see in Versio, and EC students. You also see aeronautics students getting placed in Infosys. So this is also quite non-usual, right? So typically IT companies takes computer science students or EC, but here you see Infosys again taking a lot of students from aeronautical engineering. That means their program for aeronautical engineering is quite established, and they are having equal placements like computer science, right? So computer science and aeronautical engineering is a good option for students who are considering this college. And moving further, we see here another company called Skill Infinity. Again, 5 students getting placed in mechanical. So a lot of mechanical, aeronautic, and computer science students are getting decent offer here. Let's look through some other companies. So Cognizant also, you see two students getting placed in Cognizant, 2 in HP, and then IT infrastructure company which is Protect Infrastructure, 5 students getting placed in mechanical, and 1 student getting placed in the HP company called CTP, Cloud Technology Partners, for the CSC branch. So that's good. And let's further see. So there is another company for EEC, which is for mechanical students. So almost 8 to 9 mechanical students you can see for this company. So that is also quite good. Now further moving, there is another company called GK and Aerospace, specifically for aeronautic students. So there 1 student got placed, and then there is a space engineers, 2 mechanical engineers, and there's a Byju which has taken the aeronautics engineering AE, right? So now see another set of companies: Boeing for aeronautical engineering, 2 students, White Aerospace for aeronautical engineering, and Nepal Airlines, 1 student for aeronautical engineering. So which is quite good. Further moving, few more companies as Kotak Mahindra Bank. So you see civil engineering student, CE, another civil engineering student at Lakshmi, which is for civil engineering by Jews. Then you see a couple of CSE students placed as TCS and Mindtree. And this is MyCAD, right, which is also taking a civil and the mechanical student, and computer science at HP, and IBM, 1 student for aeronautical engineering. So MyCAD continuing with a few more students, like 2 in mechanical and 1 in civil engineering. And this is another set of students company called Kcet, and you see mechanical engineering and couple of civil engineering students. And there's a other company called V Technologies where two more mechanical engineers. So overall, it's being a quite good placement for a new college, and you can definitely take mechanical, computer science, and aeronautical branch in this college. Hope this is good information which you can use. And thanks for watching. And please do like and subscribe this channel so that you can get more good college reviews up like this. Thank you.